In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish files to the Figma community. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process so you can showcase your design work with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll want to head over to your favorite browser and navigate to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful collaborative tool used by designers all around the globe, so it's a wonderful platform to share your creative projects. Once there, look for the login button and click it. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, you might want to take a moment to sign up and start your journey with Figma. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Figma. This is where all the magic begins. From the home page, you have easy access to all your design files. Now let's move on to finding the design you wish to publish. Locate and click on the design file that you are ready to share with the community. With your design open, the next step is to find the share button. This is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a series of options will appear. Among these, you'll notice an option to publish to community. This is your gateway to sharing your work with the Figma community. Next up, you'll be prompted to set a thumbnail for your design. A thumbnail gives your design its first impression, so choose one that best represents your work. Simply click Set a Thumbnail and select the frame you want to use. This step helps attract other designers to your creation, so take a moment to pick something eye-catching and relevant. After setting the thumbnail, you'll have the chance to add final details to your file. This includes a title and description of your design. Make sure you provide a clear and intriguing description to maximize interest and engagement. If your design has a unique feature or story, mention it here. Engaging text not only helps others understand your design, but can also spark inspiration and collaboration. Finally, after all your details are in place, it's time to take that last big step. Find and click the Publish button. This action will take your design from your personal workspace into the broader Figma community. Pat yourself on the back because you've just shared your creativity and hard work with countless other designers who could benefit from and be inspired by your contribution. And that's it, you've published your file to the Figma community. Remember, sharing your work is not just about showcasing what you've made, but also about connecting with others, learning from feedback, and growing as a designer. Happy designing!